Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw dressing like KFC. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You will also need 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Have your finely shredded cabbage and carrots ready for later. Now let's mix the dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Whisk these together until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, add the 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Once your dressing is perfectly mixed, it's time to combine it with the vegetables. Add about 8 cups of finely shredded cabbage and 1/4 cup of shredded carrots to a large mixing bowl. Pour the dressing over the vegetables. Gently toss everything together until the cabbage and carrots are thoroughly coated. For the best flavor and texture, cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Your homemade KFC-style coleslaw is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled as a refreshing side dish, perfect with fried chicken or barbecue. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley before serving. It's a simple, delicious recipe that brings that classic taste right to your table. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.